Thanks for joining me today. I'm Miss Nene and welcome back to Miss Nene's Art. And if this is your first time here, thank you for joining me today. I'm really excited today. I am working on three 10 by 20 inch deep edge canvases. I'm doing a triptych today. And my theme color will be different grays. Now, and one silver. So I had to take my Artist Loft paints, my white and my black, and mix it so that I can have enough for the background, because the background is going to be gray. I will be using Pearl Space Gray, which is this right here. It's a really dark. Let's see if you can see that. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera or not, but it's a really dark metallic pearly gray. And then I have, and that's by Arteza, Folk Art Gunmetal Gray, which is really close to the Pearl Space Gray. They both are really dark, but the camera's not going to pick up on it. It's slightly lighter. The Gunmetal Gray is slightly lighter, not a whole lot. And then Arteza's Cold Gray, which is definitely a lot lighter. And this beautiful metallic silver, which is by Deco Art. Their dazzling metallics line. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the background. I'm hoping that the two darker grays, the Pearl Space Gray and the Gunmetal Gray, I hope it shows up that one is slightly lighter than the other. Otherwise, this is going to look like the same cover. But even if it does, I still have the Cold Gray and the silver that's going to still bring this painting out. So let's see. This is the nice gray that I got with mixing the Artist Loft white and the black together. So I'm gonna put these together. No, not yet. So right here, I'm just popping all the bubbles. I do notice that that when I put the paint on the canvas, that my base color gray was kind of marbled. And that's because I didn't mix the white and the black that well. I thought I did until I put it on the canvas, but I actually kind of like the way that look. It gives it like a marble look. And you'll see at the end results that it still turned out really beautiful. So, but yeah, I really thought that that marble looked was actually kind of cool. So I just decided to just go ahead and go with it. Okay, I am loving how this is looking so far, but you know I have to add my little details. So I have my little mini blower here, and I love the cute little wispy details that it gives me after I do a Dutch pour. I love how it looks. It's just, I can't even really describe it. That little wispiness on the edges just gives it a really flowy, beautiful composition. I just love it. So I will leave a link to this little blower in the description. I think they only have the green ones now. I've had this one for about a year now. As you can see, I might even get myself a new one just in case this one decides it wants to stop working. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Did I just jinx myself? Okay, so I am done, and here it is. And I love how it turned out. That silver is magnificent. It is so beautiful. The gunmetal gray and the space gray by Arteza. I was concerned that they were too close and that they wouldn't, you wouldn't be able to tell. But you can tell on the canvas that there are some light areas and some dark areas of that dark color, which is looks like black, but it's not. It's the space gray and the gunmetal gray. The cool gray, which is an Arteza. Look at those little bubbles. I love that. These little bubbles in these cells, they are so cute. But the cool gray looks like a blue. It's very interesting, but I really love that. I really love that. Everything just works together. Everything, the silver, even the gray that I mixed up with the black and the white, the gunmetal gray, the pearl space gray, everything. So here's the dry results. Look at that. I love this. It's so, look at that metallic of the silver. It's this whole painting, it just speaks to me. It speaks to me and it speaks loudly. I love how this turned out. You don't really see much. You can still see a little bit of the swirliness of the gray background that didn't mix that well, and I love that it fits perfectly, I believe, with the painting. I'm very curious to know what you guys think about how this turned out. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. And I will definitely do this again on a smaller scale, maybe even a larger scale. I don't know. I love these colors together. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate you. I appreciate your time. And I am so happy how this turned out. So happy. I will be leaving links in the description for you. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.